Alright guys, we're gonna do some preheat tree bevels here. And I've tried something new. I filed them in and we're gonna see. I'll get back with y'all as soon as I get this table off. I'm gonna go ahead and keep the table just for a rest. All you gotta do is just even them up now. I'll get back with y'all, man. Hey guys, this is Jesse over at S&J Customs is coming back with y'all this weekend. Now, I've been working on this one right here. This is the step-by-step that I'm doing the video on, you know, trying to make a, I guess it's called a playlist. But I put a swedge on this one. I've done something outrageously insane with the choil. Okay, now here's another thing that I've not ever done. I have this leftover chunk of 35 layers, 15 and 20, 1084. That's, I like the 1084 and better. So we're gonna heat this up and I'm gonna twist it up, and it's way more than I need, but I'll still have that little piece. And y'all come on along for the ride, man. Let's see what we come up with.